How important is your health? Is it more important than going to the movies? Is it more important than going to the mall? Is it more important than hanging out with your friends? How about going to the hair salon or the nail salon or even the barber shops? Now that the stay-at-home orders have been lifted, the government has authorized businesses to reopen. People are now anxious to get outside. But let's not forget that the coronavirus is still in full effect. And we need to continue to follow the stay-at-home orders despite the government's reopening of the states. The president is questioning whether the stay-at-home orders have gone too far. But relaxing them could significantly increase the death tolls from the coronavirus, health officials warn. Being that the recession has probably already taken place in the economy, people need to rethink the urge of getting back in public amongst the coronavirus. We know that people are still contracting the coronavirus and that it is still claiming lives of many people. So we are far from being in the clear of this deadly virus. After doing some research for the last few months, per Dr. Hartland, a cardiologist at Yale University, says that the coronavirus, the COVID-19, is not just a respiratory disorder. It can affect the heart, the liver, the kidneys, your brain, your endocrine system, and your blood system, also having a lasting effect on your body even after you've been cleared of the coronavirus. I don't think we realize how serious this virus still is. Opening of states prematurely can cause more damage than when we first started. There are still so many things that we don't know about the coronavirus for the government to start reopening states. I'm going to be discussing first facts on the conditions that our states are still currently in. Second, the restrictions that are being placed on people despite the reopening of the states. And third, the consequences of lifting the stay-at-home orders prematurely. Let's everybody stop and think why the reopening of the states are not safe. Let us stop being selfish and so anxious to go outside now that we know that nice weather's coming. And let's just sit still, be patient, and wait until we get some real definite answers on the coronavirus. First, we know that Montgomery County and PG County still have the highest coronavirus rates in Maryland. Some states are still in need of the coronavirus test kits. So we're still waiting for test kits. Imagine how dangerous that is for people that have contracted the coronavirus. In Texas, since the reopening of their state on May 1st, the coronavirus cases have continued to climb, reaching more than 1,000 new cases per day. And as of May 14th, Mayor Jack Young stated that Baltimore City was not ready to be reopened. That should tell us something. It's not safe. There's a limited capacity allowed in the stores, meaning that the wait lines will be long in order for you to get in the stores. Social distancing is still in place, so some people even have to wait in their cars and take a number before they're even allowed to get in line because of the social distancing. Even though we have all of these restrictions, people are not following these restrictions. A lot of people are not wearing their masks, and they're definitely not following the social distancing orders. Now, I'm aware of the 30 million Americans out of work. I'm one of those people. But that's why we have Congress and our local officials to fight for stimulus and unemployment benefit checks. If we still have all of these restrictions put in place, why reopen? If we know that people aren't following the restrictions, putting everyone in danger, why reopen? People need to start taking their own health into their own hands and continue to stay home. Don't let the government dictate what is safe for you. I'm going to finally end by saying, let's stop being anxious, let's stop being selfish, and let's start thinking about our health, thinking about others, and the facts and what makes sense to us. Is going to the mall really that important? Is being out with your friends more important than your life? Think about it. Thank you.